In this video, I will show you which fuses to check if your power outlets are not working in your GMC Terrain. So, with that being said, let's get to it. You will have 3 fuses to check in the 2011 to 2017 GMC Terrain. The first 2 fuses to check will be located in a small fuse box just next to the passenger's left leg. So, in this fuse box, you want to check these 2 yellow fuses. The first fuse you want to check is fuse number 13, a yellow 20-amp fuse responsible for the power to the front power outlet. Under that fuse is fuse number 17, which is also a yellow 20-amp fuse responsible for powering the rear power outlet. You will have 1 more fuse to check in the main fuse box under the front hood. You want to check this yellow 20-amp fuse responsible for the rear power outlet. Carefully remove the fuse using a fuse puller or a pair of pliers. Examine it closely for any signs of damage or a blown fuse. A blown fuse will have a broken wire inside. In this section, I will point out to you the location of the power outlet fuses for your 2018 to 2023 GMC Terrain. The first one, we want to check the cabin fuse block under the instrument panel on the driver's side. So here are the fuses that you need to check. The power inverter fuse will be a 20-amp fuse in blue color right there. You can pull that out, look in there and see if it's intact, the fuse. For the front accessory power outlet is going to be the 20-amp fuse in yellow color. There's also a fuse for the USB ports, and that's going to be the 10-amp fuse in red color. For the 2018 to 2020 models, you'll also find the circuit breaker for the auxiliary power outlet console in this fuse block. Now, if we move to the trunk, you'll find the fuse block is behind a trim panel. In this fuse block, you can check this yellow 20-amp fuse, which is responsible for the rear auxiliary power outlet. To replace the blown fuse, you'll need a new one with the same amperage rating. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Enjoy the convenience of a fully functional power outlet in your GMC Terrain. See you next time.